Can I wholesale it? Can I wholesale it? Or should I retail it? So these are all of the questions that you need to ask about the deal. When looking at the foreclosure process, which properties are equity deals with full debt and no junior liens, and which properties need specified bids due to any junior lien or underlying mortgage. Now to do this, we're going to sort, okay? Now what you guys are looking at is a screen grab from Dealio.Pro. Now this is our preferred software that we offer to you guys, our clients. I know that many of you already have it. You can sort through these types of foreclosure properties using Dealio.Pro. They have pre-foreclosure notices in there, they have lis pendens filings in there, and you can sort for these properties without going to the county recorder's office at all. So Dealio.Pro has really simplified this entire process, and you can start breaking down what area do I want to look at, any particular price points that I'm interested in, what types of properties, what size of properties. All of these things can be sorted, shifted, filtered right within Dealio.Pro, okay? Now, once we've identified the assets that we are interested in, next step is we need to verify the value. The easiest way to do this is by a drive-by assessment. I'm a big advocate, don't buy anything sight unseen, so go get some eyes on it. So you can do a drive-by assessment. You can use another piece of technology that we provide you guys called Senfuse. This will give you the debt stack so you can see what the underlying liens are. We have another great product software that you can utilize called AI Lead Hacker. This is where you can find these deals in various AI zip codes. We can order what's called a BPO. This is a broker's price opinion where we'll pay a realtor to go out and give us the information. We can get comps off of the MLS. We can use a Zillow overlay or lot lines within Zillow. We can pull tax assessed value. We can pull comps through local real estate agents. We want one listed comp within a 1 mile radius of the subject property and the remainder within 5 miles of the subject property. We want 3 that have been recently sold, 3 that have been recently listed, and we want at least 1 that has been sold, okay? Now that we have a pretty good idea of what the value is, we have a good idea of what the underlying debt is, now we need to go in and calculate our costs, okay? So what is it going to cost us to buy it? What is it going to cost us to fix it? What is it going to cost us to finance it? What is it going to cost us to carry the cost or the debt service? So what is our monthly expenses for the duration of time that we own this asset? And what are our sales costs? Now, when we calculate all these things together, we're going to know very clearly what our expected profit is. But then we want to look at our exit strategy. Are we going to buy it and hold it? Are we going to buy it and flip it? Are we going to wholesale it? What's the plan? Okay. Are there tenants already living in the property? If it is a non-owner occupied asset that's being foreclosed on, when we buy it, do we keep the tenants in there and just continue to get the cash flow? Are they paying and are they worth keeping? Another question we should ask. Can we rehab it and rent it for monthly cash flow? And I'm going to show you guys how to do this without having to go out and get a new mortgage. We can do this to what's called subject to, where we simply take over the underlying liens. I've got some case studies coming up for you on those. And then the next question, do I have time to rehab and do I have the resources to rehab? And then can I wholesale it? Can I wholesale it? Or should I retail it? Okay, so these are all of the questions that you need to ask about the deal.